Have you ever been driving along, and suddenly, bang, a loud noise from your car that just about makes you jump out of your skin? It's scary, I know, but before you panic, let's talk about what you should check first. If you hear a loud bang, especially when going over a bump, it's often a sign of a suspension problem. The most common culprits are a broken coil spring or a failed shock absorber or strut. Pull over safely and take a look at your tires and the area around them. Do you see anything hanging down or out of place? Does one corner of the car look a lot lower than the others? If so, you've likely found your issue. It's best not to drive it and to call for a tow. Getting it checked by a professional is crucial for your safety. Stay safe out there and follow for more car tips.